Hey guys, today we are going to learn how you can resize the image. This is a website imageresizer.com. I will share the link of this website into my description. Select an image. Let's say this is our image. Its size is 500 by 500. I want to change this image size. I select it, open it. Once it is uploaded, it will ask about your size dimensions. I want to set its dimension about 700 by 700. Width, height, and this is a unit. Either you want in pixel, inches, centimeter, or millimeter. I want this in pixels. Once it's done, go to the resize image. Now you can download this image and see the size of that image. Here you can see is this image size 700 by 700. That's all. Thank you so much.